Bullet Group, the producer of CAT rugged phones, partnered with Motorola to release the Motorola Defy 2 and the CAT S75. Both devices comes with a built-in two-way satellite messaging. I already talked about the CAT S75 and there'll be a link in the video description if you want to check it out. The built-in two-way satellite messaging is a unique selling point of these devices, and how it works basically is that it enables you to send messages, any kind of messages, to anybody regardless of where you are located, even if the location that you're in has no cell signal. And that's possible because the messages are sent via satellite, and this can be done using the Bullet satellite messenger pre-installed on both devices. But of course, it is not free. Bullet's satellite messaging plans for the Motorola Defy 2 and the CAT S75 starts at around $499 for the Essential Pack that gets you up to 32-way messages per month and SOS Assist for 12 months. And of course, there are other premium plans that you can subscribe to as well. Anyway, in this video, I'll be comparing the specs of both devices. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's head into it.
Perfect, perfect, perfect.
Right, there we go guys, the Motorola Defy 2 versus the CAT S75. As you can see, both devices are very similar. I also want you guys to know that the upcoming Unifone Armor 23 Ultra would also feature a two-way satellite messaging as well. The device will be unveiled at the MWC Barcelona event next week. That's all for the video. Thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.